Hello, I'm Louise Hodges with GreenBugAllNatural.com. What we're going to talk about today is how to make an organic insecticide recipe. In order to have a true organic insecticide, everything must be natural. No synthetic chemicals, no poisons whatsoever. And in order to work against a variety of insects, you want to use a variety of ingredients. What I've done is gone outside in my own yard and gotten some thyme, some lavender, and some rosemary. And I cut some of this earlier and actually dried it because I'm going to be actually making a tea with it. So this is what it looks like dried, these three ingredients. I'm also going to be including garlic powder as well as cayenne pepper. And let's get started. So I'm going to be making my own insecticide using these ingredients. So what I do is I take some of the dried herbs. I take some minced garlic as well as some cayenne pepper. And put it in my mortar and pestle and break it apart. It doesn't have to be a fine powder, but what I'm trying to do is release the oils in these different ingredients. And I put it in my teapot. And pour some hot water in there. And I let my insecticide start to steep. As you can see, it's mixing with the water, and I'm going to have my own organic insecticide. Now that my insecticide tea has steeped, I'm going to be pouring it through a tea strainer, and that way I'll make sure I get all the fine particles. I'm going to then pour this into a hand sprayer, and I want to make sure nothing can clog the nozzle. Now I'm going to pour my insecticide into any plastic bottle so that I'll be able to apply it. There we go. And I'll put my spray nozzle on. And I've got my very own organic insecticide. Well, there you have it, your very own organic insecticide recipe that you can make and use yourself. I'm Louise Hodges with GreenBugAllNatural.com, and thank you for watching.